No, Kishana, cut the crap. You hear me? Cut the crap. Full time you stop with all of this nonsense. It will not work. I don't get you. I just don't understand you at all. No. What you're doing is ridiculous. What you're doing is stupid. You know I have my wife, and you mean to tell me that you trailed her while she went into the bathroom at Thunderfest just to try to tell her that I'm not a good person? And now you're telling me that because you saw me in an interview with Big Bag Bling, you're telling me that I owe you some money now? No, not because you see the chains and all of that. Don't get too excited. I owe you nothing. It's ridiculous. You know something? I'm getting a call. Have a good day. Yeah, I'm bright. Yo, Kishana tell me say she want the banana like what King Kong bring. We ride it like a Yama, swing, song, sing. Me tell her to start a drama, me have a wife and thing. The only reason why she like me is because she sight me in my chain from Big Bag Bling. Tell them precisely. Big respect to Big Bag Bling. If you want chain and thing like this, link them. BigBagBling.com. Tell them precisely. Great ways the gateway while sunshine to make it. You know the journey continue. It's the Jamaican poet Craig A. Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. We never stop. So what you just saw a while ago was Kishana trying to get to me, all because she see what's going on with the blings and things and all of that. And I keep telling her, go log on to BigBagBling.com and leave me alone. Stop calling my phone, because at the end of the day, I will not give her nothing. She's not a nice person to me. Citizens of the universe, Wagwan. I am Craig A. Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. And today I will be doing a video talking about this chain you see around my neck, presented to me by Big Bag Bling. So if you want your jewelry, feel free, absolutely free, to go log on to BigBagBling.com, and you can get chains like these, you can get earrings, you can get all types of things. You get what me I say? So check them out. Now stay tuned and watch this video as I unbox, as I talk about a lot of things, as I entertain you. Like I said before, it is Craig A. Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. I really hope you do enjoy this video. Mr. Lee, how are you doing, sir? What's up? Yes, I get the funds and I saw it in my account. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, man. Sorry about that. It wasn't me. It was Shaggy. I told him not to do it, but him follow your leader and start the stupid things. He was the one who made that call, not me. You is him secretary? Alright, get Mr. Lee on the phone. Tell him it's the Jamaican poet, and it's very important. Mr. Lee, how you doing, sir? I get the merchandise, the package arrive. But I thought we had an agreement. Mr. Lee, when me looking at the account, the amount now count, trying about a ramp with me. Me a one Jamaican you're not supposed to be toying with. Send my money come, I'm a done chat. So, ladies and gentlemen, this video is a paid promo content brought to you by Big Bag Bling in collaboration with the great Amaziyah. Anywhere in the world you are watching from, please do remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share, tell your friends about it. But importantly, please remember visit BigBagBling.com. Check out their Amaziyah chain, pendants, earrings, a massive sale going on, reduction prices, 50% off, buy one get one free. Tell them precisely. Yes, my friends, this is my first accepted collab video. I am to unbox and talk about a chain, yes, and a pendant. But you know, as a creative, I'm about to do it a little bit differently. Not just regular average vlogger type of vibe. I go short movie / interview / something different. So hope you like what I go on. I will also place link in the description so you can check out the trendy jewelry on BigBagBling.com. Tell them precisely. It all started off where I was just on the phone vibing with my kids back home and enjoying the moment. Shortly after, I got a message from wifey, and she was saying I should check my email immediately because some people called Big Bag Bling wanted a collaboration with me because wifey handled that side of the business. You get me? She checked my email, she update me with all what's going on and all these things. And my daughter do the same thing too, because we don't keep nothing as secrets. We all just know what's going on in our lives. And I ignored it. You get me? So, reasoning with, other folks, I may say, me get this message from Big Bag Bling. No, they never knew who they were. And we all did research because friends of mine, I say, yeah, Amaziyah, you can just try them out. You get me? I say, see if they are real. Because many offers came to me and I rejected them easily. I wasn't a, jewelry type of person, but, Big Bag Bling reached out to me and yeah, everything just looks so unique and well presentable. It make you want browse on them site more to see all of what them have to offer. And it's a good look. You get me? There are new people, but at the end of the day, they are reaching out to a wider audience, reaching out to the hip hop culture, the spoken word, as you know, that's where me elaborate and doing my poetry and all these things. But I'm quite happy about the collaboration. I see that, yeah, them have an official website. I check their stuff out. I got lots and lots of pendants, nice pendants like these. They got all types of chain.
Yeah, but I like it.
Yes, my kids are liking it. I myself like it a lot. Wifey likes it just the same. And persons who saw me in it was loving what they are seeing with the new look. Yes, if you are liking what you're seeing, please do not hesitate to go on bigbagbling.com and grab your favorite piece or pieces. Very affordable rates. Low discounted rates. Yes, you'll feel elated like I'm feeling right here. Yes, trying on my new neck piece. Stepping out in the streets. Tell them precisely. The girls them say I'm looking sweet. Tell them precisely. But the moral of the story is, it happened me in a way where I have to say, it's probably God answer my prayers, because chatting to the youth, the earlier conversation, they were telling me that, Daddy, we need some money. And I'm like, I don't even know what to do right now because I was really broke. Now, the offer stated that, of course, I would just unbox the thing, which I did, and they would pay me some money. You get me? So we did all of that. But at first, the money never reached at the time when it was supposed to reach, and I was, I highly doubted it. Check my account. Thanks. Another promotion. I am up and ready. Big Bag Bling all the way. Without no delay. Yeah, when the Big Bad Bling team reached out to me and tell me that they were elated with the project, you get me, the collaboration, I was overjoyed. I was happy. I was like, this is a moment in time come true. I was hesitant at first, like I did say, especially reason with the Rasta family them. That's another story though. I spoke to my uncle Barry, Taylor Barry, and Mark Ross. And because them are Rasta and we grew up around Rastas, it's like them I say, yo, I don't know if me for trust this thing and all of that. And me I tell them, say, well, at the end of the day, these persons see what I've been doing. You get me? Because when Michael Lee say, oh, I realize that you're on the International Reggae and World Music Award, for Florida. And I'm like, yeah. So they have also been doing their research. And that's fascinating. Yes, and next on the list is Boston's Jerk Fest. I also have the IRAMA, as I told you before, and I have the Rhode Island, yes, the Motif Rhode Island Award. I'm nominated for that also. All right. I definitely keep you posted. Maximum respect. See? Big up. So let me talk to the people them look a bit now. Big Bag Bling. In this chain reach. And the next one where the pendant was. And as me say, they have earrings. Them have nice sets of stuff you can check out for the fashion wear and all of these things. Do not hesitate. Visit them. Check them out. Reach out to them. And just look fly. So for those of you who crave more information, you can go visit the website bigbagbling.com. But let me see if I can wrap up something quick for you. Big Bag Bling is a trailblazing brand that stands at the intersection of individuality, art, and hip-hop culture. We specialize in crafting bespoke hip-hop jewelry, collaborating with the independent designers from the United States who bring their unique and bold artistic visions to life. At Big Bag Bling, we don't just create accessories, we create stories, symbols of glory, wealth, luxury, and the unrestrained energy of street culture. I am, the voice of the garrison. You get me? One of the most talented Jamaican poet, author, filmmaker. And the journey continues, we never stop. You get what I say? We keep going and going. And the audiobook is now out. The Kindle is already out. The paperback and the hardcover. The book is called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland, another multi-talented Jamaican. So, more want to take the time out for big up wifey. Big respect to my kids. Big respect to Big Bag Bling. If you don't want chains like these, let me turn in front of the camera. Go check them out without a doubt. Big Bag Bling. And them responsible for this. And them are sponsor the whole jewelry collection when it come on to me going on stage as of now. Thanks so very much for watching my video. I hope you do enjoy it and feel free to log on to bigbagbling.com. Check them out. Go get your jewels. And big respect to all fans all over the globe. Tell them precisely. The journey continues. We never stop.